Hi guys, and welcome back to Vespa Group's YouTube channel. It's Charlotte here, and today we're going to talk about the best ways to get around Manchester. So Manchester is easily accessible by all modes of transport, including trams, trains and cycles. And in this video we'll talk about the main ways to get around and offer a few tips and tricks to make your life a little bit easier. So the first way to get around Manchester that we're going to look at is by tram. Travelling by tram is actually a very pleasant experience and is super clean and efficient, and since it's all above ground, it's also a fun way to see the city in all its glory, daytime or nighttime. Manchester's Metrolink is actually one of the most successful light railway systems in the whole of the UK and has frequent stops and services easily located all around Manchester, so you're never going to be far from one of those. The trams actually run from as early as 6 AM till midnight on Monday to Saturday and from 7 AM to 11 PM on Sundays. I personally would say that the travel card is a good idea to purchase because it offers unlimited travel across the network. Otherwise, pricing is based on the 4-zone system, with prices ranging from £1.40 to £2.40 depending on how far you travel across the city. Contactless payment is also available everywhere on the Metrolink. And if you want more information regarding this, you can visit the Transport for Greater Manchester website, which is tfgm.com. Next up is cycling. So Manchester is actually a very bike-friendly city with dedicated lanes and travel routes throughout the city. With a city full of canals, many of the town paths have actually recently been resurfaced, especially for cyclists and walkers, making for a great scenic way to get around Manchester. In addition to that, Manchester can be easily explored on foot, and most of the city centre is within walking distance of around 20 minutes. If staying active is just not for you, then ride-sharing may be the next best option, especially if you're just visiting the city. Uber is the biggest car-sharing service in Manchester and is quite efficient, especially if you download the app in advance. Lyft is also available, as well as other traditional taxi services. And last but not least is by car. So with the vast variety of public transport options available, cars within the city centre aren't very necessary. If you do have one, parking can be quite tricky and can be quite expensive, especially if you're only staying here for a short amount of time. However, if you're travelling out of the city centre into Greater Manchester, cars can become a whole lot more helpful. So those were the most popular modes of transport that will hopefully help you find your way in and around the city of Manchester. Keep an eye out for even more videos all about this great city on Vespa Group's YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching.